industries to discuss with you, sir. Can you clarify?
Sure, sure.
Yes, sir. To describe a challenging project you have worked on and how you overcome obstacles.
So it's a challenging project. I'll say my project. Okay, so we had to work on many projects. So we used to design projects which would be evaluated by the proposers. So in that time, we created something called as it was a hydraulic arm, which was supposed to be an prosthetic arm. That was a project. It was a team effort. So in that project, we were not having any idea about robotics or any of the other mechanisms to make an amputee use a robotic arm instead of a normal one. So that like that drawback of not knowing robotics, not knowing the technical terms, not knowing the key elements that are required to make a robot work, that was a huge drawback for me. So to overcome that, we had several sessions, we had several events, workshops, which was conducted by our college. So we got an idea of robotics. We even have a like a club. I remember a robotics club, which was led by mechatronics department, I guess. I was even part of that. So all those basics gave me an idea on how to make that robotic arm work. So that was basically my project. I'll just like define my project in 2 minutes. So it's like you'll be taking out muscle signals so from the arm, and you'll be like entering those feedback into a device, your microcontroller, and then you'll make the robot move. That was how we designed it. So we could obtain the data, we could obtain the feedback from the muscles, but we couldn't, like make the robot or make the motors run. So that was a problem. So that was, as I said, after we got the foundation of what robotics is, how we could make it work, then we could solve it. So I think that was the obstacle we faced, and that's how we resolved it. Any other doubts?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Myself Satya. I have one question. What is your experience and background in biomedical engineering? Thank you. Thank you, sir. பரவால்ல. மனசு ரொம்ப நேரம் கேட்கறது. நைஸா எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க. கன்ஃபியூஷன் மாதிரி. முடிச்சு அப்படியே சொல்லு.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir.